Yo, we're right here in front of Somali Grill. My niece, she got a really expensive palate. Tell her what you want.
Grilled salmon.
You want? What do you want?
The grilled salmon fish.
She wants the grilled salmon fish. Yo, look at this. She wants it. You see how? What the heck? You see how these little girls, these little kids be living nowadays? Look, I didn't get to eat salmon that much when I was a kid. You know, I used to eat meat, right? You know that, right? Okay, we're gonna get this. Satai.
Hey guys, hi. These amazing wings. So we have a sambusa. We have a lot of stuff over here. So if you want to visit for us, like one day, I'm gonna make something special for you. You're gonna like it. You're gonna come back, I promise. So we have a lamb shank. We have a rice. We have a spaghetti. We have a sandwich. We have a Philly cheese sandwich. We have a chicken sandwich. We have a lot of stuff over here. So it's gonna be like amazing everything in here. We have a lamb shank. We have what they call the butter wrap. We have a lot of stuff. Welcome. Welcome, guys.
Setahin, Makul Harasha af Somali. Yo guys, we're back again today with another Somali food truck. You loving the Somali food truck?
Yeah.
Me too. Me too. I mean, look, if the more Somali food trucks we find, the more we gonna taste test. It doesn't matter if there's 1,000, 1,000,000, we gonna taste test them. But guys, today we went to the Somali Grill food truck and I got a mango because, well, right now that's all I could get because you guys know I'm vegetarian vegan, so there was nothing that I could eat today. But it's okay. I still got a smoothie mango, and another day that I go, they will probably have like veggie sambusas, malawa, all this other stuff, right? But my niece, she got salmon. Oh God, you got this salmon.
I got salmon fried in sambusa.
Salmon. I don't know why I say salmon, but I do. Maybe it's a Midwest, but well, you are from here too, so I don't know what it is. But she got salmon. I call it salmon. Salmon. She got salmon, and what else you got? You got fries and sambusa.
Yep, and it has a lot of onions on it.
It has a lot of onions, and you got a beef sambusa.
Yep.
Which you couldn't hold back a little bit, and she ate just a little bit. She was a little hungry, but it's all good. Okay, so you want to go in for the tuna? Look, I'm gonna go in for the mango. Somali mango. If you don't know, Somalia is known for mango juice. They love mango. One Somali guy said that they the mango boys. So since they the mango boys, we're gonna try this mango drink out and see how Somali mango drink is. I'm really interested because it has mango and it seems like it has something else at the bottom. Baby girl, what do you think?
Maybe like some kind of syrup.
Yeah, maybe
like
some kind of syrup. Ooh,
mango syrup.
it's thick too. I'm gonna see what this tastes like. Okay, let me taste it real fast. Okay, we're gonna taste at the same time? Hold on, we're gonna taste it at the same time? You're getting a big piece of salmon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Refreshing. Wow. I'm trying to figure out actually like what is in this outside of mango. There's like some very dark, like reddish looking color in here. I just don't know what it is. I'm trying to taste it, but it tastes good. It tastes good.
The grilled salmon is good, and it's like chewy. But I think it would taste better if I put onions on it.
Oh, but you do have onions, right? So go ahead and put some onions on there and take another bite whenever you get a chance.
There's like long onions and short onion.
Okay, so you think that maybe you should get like a long onion or a short onion?
A short onion.
Okay, so get a short onion, and she's gonna get a short onion, and she's gonna put a little bit of salmon on there, right? And once she puts a little bit of salmon, ding, 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 ding. There you go. Finally, I'm loving it. Oh man, that hit the spot right there, huh?
It has more flavor.
Ooh.
And it's a little bit more. It was a little bit spicy than the other one. And it's pink inside, which is a good thing.
Yeah. Salmon, you don't want to overcook it. right? You don't want to overcook it, but you don't want to undercook it either.
And it's grilled salmon,
Oh,
and it's not burnt.
oh God,
And it has a lot of seasoning on it.
that's really good. So tell me a little bit about the seasoning. Is it spicy or is it not that spicy? It's just a little bit spicy? Like, how is it?
It's not really spicy, but I think the onions, when you put it with the onions, it is spicy.
It's a little bit more spicy. Okay.
And it has broccoli in it.
Oh God,
Like when you dig in, it's like broccoli.
it is? Really? Hey, let Uncle try it real fast. I just want to try the onions. Is that okay? Because, I love onions. I don't know if anybody else loves onions, but I love onions. I could eat onions by themselves. What is that, though? Maybe it's like a parsley or a spinach. Hold on, let me taste. Whoa. Yo, that's pretty good. Huh. I really don't know what that is, to be honest with you. I think that's like parsley or I don't know. Yo, that tastes good though. Them onions is delicious. I love onions. I don't know if you guys know, but I love onions.
I think they're kind of like orange onions. Because they look orange.
Is that how you like your fish? Cooked like that?
Next, I'm going to try the fries.
Oh, you're going to try the fries? Oh, you're going to put ketchup on them? Hey, look at you. Look at you. You're a traditionalist. You know what... Here, let Uncle open it. You know what a traditionalist is? Okay. Well, then I ain't got to explain
It
it.
means
Then.
you do something different than other people.
Well, it sort of means that, but it means that you do something that people have done for a long time. So you don't change it. Like some people like to put a lot of things on their fries. Some people like to do different things. But you just like ketchup, right? Just traditional ketchup. Can Uncle try a fry with you? With ketchup? I wish I could say there was a such thing as Somali fries, but I don't think that exists. But maybe you guys can tell me in the comments if that actually exists, maybe back in Somalia. Because there's different countries that do fries differently, right? They throw things on top of it or whatever. Where you fry at?
I'm still chewing salmon.
Oh, sorry. So guys, now we're going to go in and try one of these fries. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Toast. I think I need to take a couple more. So, I think the fries are like a little bit thicker than the fries we had at the other Somali food truck.
Yeah, and it's like steak fries.
Yeah, they're like steak fries more. But I like the way that they're like fried though. It's not overly fried, but it's not like not fried enough.
But the best fries I like is the other food truck because it had seasoning, and this one is just a little plain. And steak fries, and I don't like steak fries.
She doesn't really like steak fries. I like them both. I like steak fries and small fries. You know, I still didn't figure out what is at the bottom of this mango. What do you think this is? I think it's like tamarind or something.
I think it's like it right here too, like in the middle of it, right there.
Oh yeah, it is. I think it's like tamarind.
I think it's like a type of mango jelly or something, like a syrup or something.
Yeah, I think so. Yo, this is amazing.
But when he gets to the bottom of it, he'll be able to taste it and see what it is.
Exactly. Well, I'm sort of kind of already at the bottom right now, but it's really good actually.
Like at the really bottom. Really bottom.
So you've been eating Somali food for like, this is what, your second time eating Somali food? What are you thinking about it? You liking it?
Yeah. I think I like it better than American food.
Hold on, what? You think you like it better than American food? So now that we've had so much different type of Somali food, you said that it's better than American food?
Yeah. I think I taste a little bit of South Korean food because the ramen noodles are from Japan and they and Asia and South Korea, so they have like ramen noodles and stuff, but it's in America, but you don't find some of the other kinds of what they have.
Very true. And you know it's interesting because you love ramen noodles, right? Japanese noodles, but you have never had Somali pasta. And Somali pasta is called basto. And basto is really good, so I'm interested to see how you like basto. Next time we have Somali food, we're gonna have Somali noodles. Basto, would you like to try that? You know, Somali people are gonna love you now because you said that you like Somali food over American food, which is a very big variety of different foods. So if you say that, like they're gonna love you now.
If you're Somali, just know we're trying your food and it's really good.
Oh, it's delicious. You know, Uncle eat it all the time. I love Somali food. Well, yo guys, I'm just loving this little Somali food truck tour that we got going on. Man, if you guys know about any other Somali food trucks, let me know because I'm willing to try them. Like, I love that there's more and more Somali food trucks popping up, and I would just want to see more. I just want to know more. There was a couple other things on the menu that I wish I could have got, but I was too late. I had to come in the morning, but I'm gonna come back there and try it definitely because there's a lot of things that I need to try and really figure out. So
the last thing I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try this.
Okay.
I ate it a little bit, but
you know that's a beef sambusa, right? Oh God.
It's really good, and it tastes like a taco.
It tastes like a taco.
Like a beef taco.
Oh yeah, it probably does taste like a beef taco, huh?
And I don't know what these are in it. The yellow things.
Onions. They're just like a different cooked onions.
I think it would be better if it was with pineapple in it.
Okay.
Because I think pineapple has a sweet flavor.
A sweet flavor.
It's like this is like a spicy and a sour flavor.
Okay. So do you think that you will eat sambusas again? Yeah. You eating good over here, man. I'm a little jealous, actually. You eating better than Uncle is. Yo, guys. So I'm going to have the address from the Brothers Food Truck down there. You guys can check his food truck out. I think that you should definitely go by there. And all the Somali food trucks that I've done in Columbus, Ohio. You know we live in Columbus, Ohio, so there's a wide variety of Somali foods. There's so many different Somali places that I can't even go to yet because there's just so many of them. Especially on the north side. But there's some on the west side as well, but especially on the north side. So we're going to continue this Somali food tour, right, throughout the channel as always. Guys, like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification down there so you always get my videos. Add me on all social medias, which is African Network, which is Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook. Each one teach one. Always love each other. Always learn from each other. And yo, guys, until next time, what do you want to tell them?
Peace, one love.
Peace, one love.
So catch me if I fall.